A major May heat wave is now upon us. I'm ABC 13 Chief Meteorologist Travis Herzog. Here's your need-to-know weather. Those temperatures are rocketing up into the 90s today and for the foreseeable future. And we're talking not just any 90-degree heat, record-breaking 90-degree heat. We think today's high of 94. We think today's high will make it to 94, which would tie the record. And then we're breaking records on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and very close to records all the way into next week, with morning lows coming up closer to 80 degrees by Sunday and Monday. Now, our high temperatures this afternoon will be hottest north and west of Houston. So we're going for 95 in Tomball, Conroe, Huntsville, 97 in College Station. Bastrop gets up to 101. Meanwhile, south of Houston, we're looking for highs in the 80s in our coastal counties, so not too bad. Then in the overnight hours, extra moisture comes in, so the steam factor goes up a notch tomorrow. You already felt the humidity go up today. Well, it goes up even more tomorrow, and so not only do we get a warmer morning, we get a hotter feeling afternoon with the temperature going up to 97 and the heat index even higher than that. Here's a look at that feels like forecast. We're expecting it to feel like it's in the upper 90s by noontime, and north of I-10, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, that heat index is 100 to 105 degrees, very close to heat advisory criteria and very unusual to experience this early in the year. So make sure you and your loved ones are taking all the necessary heat precautions while outside, because our body's just not used to this kind of heat. And it'll still feel like it's in the 90s at 6 p.m. and then later in the night we'll see those feels like temperatures finally cross below 80 degrees. So the heat is on and it's not really going anywhere. The heat are cranking through next week, and that means limited opportunities for rain. We got about a 10% chance of a shower Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and a 20% chance towards the end of next week. So this unusual heat for this time of the year looks like it is here to stay over these next 10 days. I do hope you stay cool as those temperatures peak in the mid-90s this afternoon, and we'll keep watching the weather for you.